Hey guys, this is Natalie and I am back. I am working on a little story with The Laugh Kit by Ali Edwards. And so I have taken this So Funny card and I am actually placing it where it needs to be. And I am using this picture of my daughter and me actually playing checkers. And she had a fun time actually playing this game. It was one of the games that she's able to play right now. And so I am pulling all my journaling out of Trello to then put into the story card below. And so now I'm just centering it. I have found that by using Trello, I can actually get the story down that happened in the moment, and then I'm able to tie a photo onto that card so that I can come back later and all I really have to do is kind of lay out my page and get my elements. My journaling's already done. I already picked my photo and it's really good to go. I'm playing around with a few of the elements from this story kit. Wasn't sure what I wanted to actually use, and you'll see later on I actually completely changed the photo because I had taken it vertical and I needed really a horizontal, and I thought it was a little too much, so I switched the photo a little bit later, as you will see in this process video. And yeah, so it comes together pretty quickly once you have your journaling done. You don't have to think back. I am a believer in actually getting your story down first and then tying it in. I learned that from Ali Edwards from multiple classes that she has actually taught with the story kits, and it's just way easier for me to do it that way. But yes, this is the process video of me putting this page together. And you'll see that I will put this into my blurb book as well. But if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.